Key on Whiskey. We're trying him out, and this is basically his first time to flex in the saddle. So you reach up halfway up the neck and you're going to ask him to flex. We're going to use intermittent pressure, and your hand is going to go back to that concho. Now, he has not been taught. Go ahead, come on, get him to flex, get him to flex. So we need him to flex all the way. There you go. Wait until he stops. He needs to stop. That's better. Wait until he stops and he quits pulling you, and release. Let's come and do the other side. There you go. All right, so this is the foundation of the one rein stop. The first thing you want a horse to be able to do, now reach forward on the reins a little bit more. Always reach to the half of the rein, and you ask them to give you their head, and they have to stop when that head comes in. So don't lean forward, make sure you sit back. There you go. And let's do this other side. He hasn't been taught this. This is the basis of the one rein stop. This is how you can, there you go, reach up there to that lace and ask him. Very good. All right, that was much better. And same side, same side, same side. And reach forward a little bit more. There you go. There you go. And that was a better release. Now, did you see? Now, don't necessarily, just give him a little scratch and not necessarily petting. All right, let's do the same side one more time. Reach forward to that on those laces. There you go. Intermittent pressure. Go, 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 go. Wait until he stops, wait until he stops, wait until he stops, wait until he stops, and release. Now come back over here to this other side, and let's try on this other side. This is going to take a process, but we're doing this first. All right, reach forward on your laces. Remember, halfway up the neck, and you have to say whoa and ask. Remember, don't lean forward. Remember to sit up. I know, that's hard to do. That was better. Do it again on that same side. Reach forward on your laces. There you go. And intermittent pressure, intermittent pressure. There you go. You got a much better result that time. Very nice. Let's come to this side, please. Now reach forward on your, a little bit farther forward. There you go. And let's ask him to flex. Oh, yes. Good. And stop and reward. Okay, now did you see the difference just in the process there? He has already learned to give you and to flex, and he's stopping. So that's going to be a good point right there. So that's going to be good. Good job. So we already know he doesn't move his forehand real well, so we're not really going to worry about the forehand. So we are going to concentrate on that button number 3, which is the hindquarters. So if you're facing me with the right, your right hand is going to go up a little bit right there. Now your leg is going to go back to button number 3, and just see if he'll yield those hindquarters for you. So ready, and with that outside hand, keep him from walking forward. And there was a cross. Get him. There's a cross, good, there's a cross, and release, and let him stand forward. Good. So he's yielding his hindquarters, he's listening to that. What you do on one side, you definitely have to do on the other. So remember, reach forward and tip his nose in, and button number 3, remember, keep that heel down, keep the heel down. There you go. Now keep going. Intermittent pressure, intermittent pressure, intermittent pressure, and cross. Don't let him, right hand, pull back, there you go, there you go. There you go. Pull back just a little bit. Pull back. Pull back. Right hand, pull back. Okay. There you go. Did I get one? Got a little bit. We'll have to work on that a little bit more. So we're going to go back to the other side and then we'll come back. All right. So remember, you have to stop his forward motion and with opposite hand. Yes. So tip his nose. And button number 3, now keep him from walking forward. There you go, there you go, there you go. Good. Did you feel that? Yeah. Now your leg is going really far back. It doesn't need to go that far back, but that was good. Did you feel, feel his disengaging his hindquarters? That's great. That's a good little test. Let's disengage the hindquarters once more on this side. So that's your left side. So button number 3, and tighten up. Button number 3, and disengage. And we have a cross. Cross, don't let him go. Now you're pulling, pull back with that. There you go, there was a cross, and that was much better. But you have to remember to impede forward motion and ask him to turn at the same time. Where do I pull it to? Just pull to your hip. Hip. Yeah, keep it straight back. Okay. All right, very good. Thank you so much for joining us on today's video. And if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And remember, to see more, check out our playlist.